Hello everyone, welcome back. So now in this class we move to know the drawing of sequence diagram. So go to choose Rational Row software, which opens like this. So here we have to found certain symbols which are available particularly for a rational rows sequence diagram. Okay, so go to browse and open the interaction diagrams. In this interaction diagrams, so logical interaction diagram, you have to click OK. So in this both diagrams we may have sequence diagram and collaboration diagram. Okay, so from that we have to choose one diagram for that is sequence diagram. So choose sequence diagram and click OK. So that displays is like this. Okay, so sequence diagram symbols available there: note symbol, anchor note to item, object symbol, that is object message, return message. You use this return message and you use this message to self. You use this. This is the destruction maker, that is destroying object. Okay, so see in this library management system we are having different objects. We already discussed in the previous class. So in this we used to design three objects. Okay, three objects. So those three objects are available. So first object, you have to select this object name and click here object. The object name is user. Okay, what is the object name? User is the object. Okay, and also click another object name is library system. You write library system, and next another object need to library database. Okay, library database. So three objects we placed. So this is the lifeline, objects lifeline. So three object names are user, library system, library database. Okay, first from user to library, user can log in. Message, click here, user can log in. So click here, give the message name. You type message name here. Name of the message, user login. User login, apply. Okay, login is there. Okay, and next authenticate login from library system to library database. Authentication of the login, you need to draw like this. Authentication of the login from here to here. Authentication of login, right here. Authentication 1.1 authentication of login, apply. Okay, authentication of login. Or you may not give the details of this login. You may not create this delete option also. So like this, authentication, authenticate login. Serial numbers are the details which we have to give. You need to give synchronous or asynchronous or simple timeout or procedure call, return call, whatever it may be, you need to write. Okay, so okay, sequence number also automatically generated for this. So for this you use to generate sequential diagram automatically. you represent the transition name or the transition numbers also you can represent 1. Okay, apply. Okay, and next, so acknowledge will give to the library database to library system. For that you use return message, acknowledgement message. Return message will be given to here to here. What is this third message? Third message name is acknowledge. ACK. Simply I write ACK. We have to write represent of whole representation by acknowledge, right? And next, login is correct or wrong password will be representing from here to there. Login or wrong password we represent. You have to login or the wrong password or login, apply. Okay, and next, enter book details. Next user is entering the book details. So this is the request, entering the book details. Okay, enter book details, okay. So enter, after entering the book details, from library system to library, search for a book. Okay, so this will search for a book. You write searching for a book. Double click here, search for book. Okay, right. After searching a book, if book is available, acknowledge for the search to the database to library system. Okay, acknowledge. For acknowledge we have to write return message. Okay, return message, acknowledge. What is acknowledge? Book is available. That is acknowledge. And after acknowledge, book found or book not found will be given to the library system to database. Book found or not found. Okay, so write book found or not found. Book found or not found message will be displayed. Okay, so next, after book finding or not finding message displayed, request, if book is found, request from the user to the library system. What is that request? Request name is request for issue. Book. That is requesting for issuing a book. Okay, after issuing a book, again the database to the library system, book status will be represented. Is that book available or not? So that will be writing status. Book status. What is the status of the book? Status of the book is issue. Issue. Book status. Okay, status of the book is issue. Sometimes my keys are not working properly. If I click once, those may be displayed many times. Okay, so requesting book is over. After that, book issued message will be written to the database. Book issue returning message is from the system to user. Book issue message will be displayed. Okay, after that, user can log out from the system. From here to here, user can log out. User can log out the system. After that, logging out a system. So system will display the logouting message to full. Okay, logged out. Okay, logged out message will be displayed to the user. Logged out message. Logged out message will be displayed. After logging out, you may represent the object destroying object. This is also the destroying object. This is also the destroying object. Okay. So this is the complete. This is the complete sequence diagram for representing library management system. Sequence diagram for representing library. User view is this. This is the user view. This is the timeline of a user object. This is the user object underlined name. Object user. This is the object library system. This is the object library database system. Okay. So these are the lifetimes. So these are the bars which are entering into the starting stage. This is the ending stage. Okay. So from this, user can log in into the user to library system. After logging, second step, authentication of login. From library system to database, authentication is done. From authentication, acknowledgement is displayed for that authentication. Is that user is valid user or not? That will display. Okay. So after that, login or wrong password. If authentication is not clear, then which displays wrong password. Otherwise, which displays correct password. Okay. So after logging into the system, okay, sequence 5 enter the book details. Book details will be entered by the user. So after entering the book details, the library system will also check to the library database into the second search for book. After searching a book, acknowledge will be displayed. What acknowledgement is the book is available or not? That book is found or not? For example, if that book is found, automatically the request for issue book will be given by the user. Request. Okay. So after that request, book status will be displayed. Book status. What is the status of the book? Is that book issue or is that book not issued, or that status will be represented by the library system to database. From that library system, after that book issue, so automatically student or the user will log out from the system. So system will displaying the logging out. After logging out, you have to destroy the every object. Every object you have to destroy the every object. Okay, no further use of that particular objects. So this is the complete sequence diagram for representing library management system. So if you want to found the sequence diagram of library management system, so if you want to draw the collaboration diagram while pressing the F5 from the keyboard, automatically the collaboration diagram will be displayed like this. See this collaboration diagram. Check the collaboration diagram. All the requests are in the above the link. All the acknowledgements are the below the link. So login, enter book details, request issue book, logout. What we checked? So from user to library, how many requests are there? First one is the login. Next, fifth one is the enter details. 159 book issue 159 12 15912 will be displayed. The request for user to library. See 159 login, enter book details, request issue, and 12 is also log out. 15912 are the request from user to library system. What are the acknowledgements from the library system to user? Check in the sequence diagram, acknowledges from library system to user. So what is that acknowledgement? Fourth one, login or wrong password, fourth. And next, eighth, book found or not found, 4, 8, 11, book issue, 13, logout, 4, 8, 13, 4, 8, 13, 11, 4, 8, 11, 13 are the check. 4, login or wrong password, 8, book found or not found, 11, book issue, 13 is logout. All those are requests from the library system to user. Okay. So, and next, library system to library database. Library system to library database. First of all, choose the message, library system to library database. So, see, library system, this is the library system to library database. This is the library database. Library system, library authentication, second one. From here to 6, 2, 6, 10. 2, 6, 10 are the requests. Press F5 in the keyboard. See, authentication 2, 6, search for book, 10, book status issue. 2, 6, 10 are the library system to library database requests. So, and also check from the library database to library system, that is acknowledgements. 3 is one acknowledgement and 7 is one acknowledgement. 3, 7, both 2 are only the acknowledgements which are in between the library database and also the library system. Okay, press F5 from the keyboard. So check is that 3 is acknowledgement and 7 is authentication, from library to library system. Okay, library system to library is 3 acknowledgement. Library system database to library is 2 acknowledgement. This is the, what is this diagram? This diagram is belongs to the collaboration diagram. What is this diagram? F5 sequence diagram. What is the sequence diagram? Emphasizes, sequence diagram is a diagram which represents the dynamic aspects of a particular system. So sequence diagram shows what time ordering representation of the object's flow, time ordering representation in between the each and every step by step execution, time ordering representation. First step, okay, first step, second step, third, fourth, 5, 6, 7. If you give the input, what it will act, how it will act, that will represent time ordering. Whereas if you see pressing F5 in the keyboard, automatically which generates collaboration diagram. Collaboration diagram shows what? Collaboration diagram and sequence diagram, both two are the interaction diagrams. Both two are the interaction diagrams. That is dynamic behavior, those will display. Okay. So what sequence diagram tells? Sequence diagram tells time ordering representation. Whereas if you take collaboration diagram will be representing the structure view of a particular system. What is going on in the sequence diagram, that will display structural representation. After if we show this structure, what is going on from user to library, what is going on from library to user, what will be the request from library system to library database, what will be the acknowledge from library database to library system. While we seeing this collaboration diagram, so automatically we have to know what is going on in the system. Where if you see the sequence diagram, which tells us the time ordering representation of a particular system. So these are the sequence diagrams and collaboration diagrams representing the dynamic behavior of a particular system. So what are the symbol we are using in this particular collaboration diagram or the sequence diagram. So in the sequence diagram, so what are the symbols we are used? Object, this is the object symbol, okay, and next object lifeline, this is the object lifeline we are using, dotted vertical arrow, object lifeline, and next merge caller authentication. So this is the bar we are using, merge caller authentication. So this bar will be representing the message caller authentication, this bar, all these bars. So this starting point will be representing message starting point. So this is the ending point of present message ending point, okay. So this is message calling bar. What is this? Message calling bar. So object library system, message calling bar, this is all these are, okay. And next request message will be representing with this link, request object message will be writing this. So object message, return message will be raised dotted arrow, unidirectional arrow will be representing message, reverse message will be using dotted arrow, okay. And next, if you want to create, you use some create acronyms, you use destroy, and also you will refining message means message to self message, you use this. If you completed drawing a particular creating or destroying an object, you have to destroy object with the help of this cross mark, destroying as well. And also you may use to create some notes also, note representation also. All these are symbols which are used to create a particular sequence diagram. Whereas collaboration diagram, when you create a sequence diagram while pressing F5 function key 5 in the keyboard, automatically which generates collaboration diagram. When you give press F5 which displays collaboration, when you give F5 again, and which will go to return to the sequence diagram, okay. So the symbols which are used in the sequence diagram and how to draw the sequence diagram we saw, okay. So after completed the sequence diagram, you have to save file, save, where it saves, which saves .mdl format, models. This is one model, na. So likewise .mdl model which saves. So LMS, or simply library management system. So save library management system. So LMS model already exists. If you want to replace it, yes, I replace it already which exists. I replace it this one. So go to the where I saved, go to the documents, where I saved documents, desktop, LMS system is there, where I have to saved file, save, where it is available, save as. If I click save as, recorded there, the record. So where it is recorded, cancel. So see OAD my content recorded file. Here so what is the name? LMS. This is the LMS, rational rows model, okay. Rational rows, double click on the LMS which display. Why it is not displayed? If we click the format, browse, what is the interaction diagram, so what is the sequence diagram, so which displays like this. What is the name of this rational rows? LMS system. The status bar will be representing LMS system. So this is the way of drawing a sequence and collaboration diagrams in the rational row system. So how to draw, what are the symbols available, and how do we convert a sequence to collaboration, collaboration to sequence, and symbols which are available there. So we have to see all the diagrams. Okay. So with this we completed drawing sequence diagram and the collaboration diagram. So we have to move to next topic. So we will discuss many things into the next class. Okay. Thank you very much.